Tragic, devastating, heartbreaking, just some of the emotions we're currently feeling as Indians after hearing the crushing news that ended Vinesh Phogat's fairy tale story at the Olympics. A twist of fate really for Vinesh Phogat. The wrestler has been disqualified from the Paris Olympics after she could not bring down her weight within the 50 kgs category. Let's keep the sentiment aside, of course, but here is our report where we're going to unpack for you as to why Vinesh Phogat really failed the weigh-in process at the Paris Olympics. The big question here is, what is a weigh-in and when is it conducted? And what is a weight cut? You need to know that athletes have weight categories in which they participate. These categories have rules in place that don't allow athletes above that weight to participate in that competition. Now, this is a basic concept in such sports to ensure that a bigger athlete cannot compete against a smaller athlete. But sometimes bigger athletes like Vinesh Phogat, who otherwise participated in the 53 kgs category, this time chose to cut down her weight and participate in the 50 kgs category. And that involves her rapidly losing a number of kilos before the competition. It's quite common practice in combat sports. When was the weight check conducted? Well, the weight check was done on Wednesday morning and Vinesh was apparently a few grams above the 50 kgs mark. What do the rules for weight check really say? Well, according to the very clear rules that's been put down pertaining to wrestling, competitors must meet the weight on both mornings of that competition. Despite her most rigorous efforts, Vinesh couldn't really shed the last few grams. In fact, on the morning of the semi-finals match, she was weighing 49.9 kgs. And by the evening, after 3 bouts, she even knocked down the world #1 champion, wrestling champion from Japan in one of those bouts. The end of that day, she was weighing 52.7 kgs. Was Vinesh Phogat given a chance to meet the weight cut? On Wednesday morning, Vinesh was given 15 minutes window at the weigh-in to try and squeeze in under the 50 kg limit. The Indian delegation even contemplated cutting her hair in case that would make a difference. In fact, she did cut her hair really short, but now we know it was in weigh-in. What does the rule book say? Well, according to United World Wrestling's Olympics weigh-in rules, UWW rules, wrestlers have to weigh in on the morning of their competition. But before the weigh-in on day one, a wrestler is supposed to appear for a medical examination with their license and their accreditation while they wear their singlet. Basically, they're supposed to weigh themselves with the wrestling suit. You see that Vinesh Phogat was wearing a red one. The weigh-in period is 30 minutes on day one and a wrestler can try and weigh themselves multiple times. Now on day 2, if qualified for day 2, then the wrestler has 15 minutes buffer to match the 50 kg limit. Now the most important question here is, why was it tough for Vinesh Phogat to cut weight? Vinesh has always struggled to cut weight for the 50 kg category we hear. She has been participating so long in the 53 kgs category until recently. She made the switch to 50 after she lost out in the 53 kg category during the trials. Vinesh then decided that she will continue to play in the 50 kgs category and will bring down her weight. And that switch was made at the trials in NIS Patiala. Phogat's usual weight is around 55 to 56 kgs, which she has to cut down to 50 kgs, basically stay in that limit days into the competition. Keeping her body weight below 55 to 56 kgs has really proved quite tough for her, as there isn't a lot of weight to cut. As you see her, she's super fit with a lot of muscle, not too much weight to cut down except for some water weight, and that could happen by sweating or, literally exercising for hours together. Now the question is, why was she disqualified on the second day of the tournament? When on the first day her weight matched the 50 kgs category limit, what happened? Well, the UWW rules state that an athlete needs to make the weigh-in on all competition days. Basically, the 2 days here, both days she has to weigh within 50 kgs. And the second day, she unfortunately fell short of 115 grams. Since the Olympic wrestling competition in a weight category is held over 2 days, Vinesh Phogat there clearly needed to be within the 50 kg limit both days, and there's no exception to that. Clearly why Vinesh was disqualified as per Article 11 of UWW. If an athlete doesn't meet the weight criteria, he or she stands disqualified, which means that they will finish last and hence Vinesh will return home empty-handed. Now another commonly asked question here is if Vinesh could have salvaged the medal if she claimed she was injured. But this is another argument here about whether Vinesh and her team could have withdrawn due to an injury so that the match could have been forfeited and she would have at least been eligible here for a silver medal since she had qualified already for the finals. However, Article 56 clearly states that if the athlete withdraws due to an injury after the bout is completed, then he or she will have to appear for the second weigh-in. Otherwise, there will be an elimination. Well, I hope this explains everything you need to know about the unfortunate affair that happened with Vinesh Phogat at the Paris Olympics, literally just few hours before she appeared for that final showdown. Well, the whole world is still very proud of Vinesh. She is lion-hearted. Her performances have shown that. We have celebrated her and we're awaiting her comeback home.